Hey you guys, what's up? How you all are doing? If you are watching me for the first time, then hi, I'm Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. Welcome to my channel. So today I have created this no makeup look. My understanding of no makeup look is to just enhance your features without looking too much. So everything in this look should be very subtle and soft and nothing should look over the top. So yeah, that's what I have created. Let's get started. Let's create this beautiful, natural, easy, soft look. My skin is better now. After my recent beach vacation, my skin just degraded like hell. It was so dull, dry. Let me show you guys. It's not best, but it's still recovering, and yeah, it's fine now. To prep my skin, I'm using this moisturizer from Cetaphil. It is a long-lasting, intense hydration for daily. It is greasy, to be honest. If you have oily skin, you won't like this at all. It is purely for dry skin. I already have lip balm on my lips. I don't have a mirror with me. Like, are you kidding me? Makeup without mirror? No, it's not a challenge. Wait, let me bring a mirror. I have my mirror now. For foundation, I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade Natural Buff. Blending this out with my damn beauty sponge. To conceal the pigment on my face, I'm gonna use this Fit Me concealer. I'm just setting my base with the loose powder. This one is Maybelline Fit Me. I'm sticking it on this brush. So basically, I'm just setting all the places where I applied concealer so that it doesn't crease. So see, my face still looks kind of natural and it just feels I have less blemishes and I have kind of perfect skin, which I don't have clearly. It is a scream of too much of product, so that's what we are trying to achieve in today's look. Next thing, we are going to do our eyebrows. Eyebrows are something that instantly elevates your look without looking too much. Given that you do them very naturally and you just don't do this. So today I'm gonna use my Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil. Eyebrows are done, and next I'm gonna take this brown pencil from Nykaa Glamorize in the shade Bronze Beam 08. I'm just gonna put this in my lower lash line, otherwise my eyes would just look so lifeless and dull. You know that Roni Surat wala face. So yeah, exactly. To prevent that, I'm just gonna use this in my lower lash line, but very lightly, very lightly. I'm just putting this and smudging this with my finger so that it looks very natural. Can you see anything? Barely, but there's a difference in this eye. It looks little full of life. I don't know what that means, but it doesn't look as if I'm bimar or something. Any day if I wanted to skip my kajal or eyeliner in office, people used to say, what happened to you? Are you okay? Because my eyes would look so bad. So yeah, now I'm going to put some mascara to give some life to my eyelashes, and I'm just curling them quickly. Okay, so eyes are done. We are just not going to do anything with our eyes now. So next I'm gonna apply some blush, because blush just brings that flush of color back into your skin and just make everything so beautiful and cohesive. So I'm gonna take my powder brush and just taking this sugar brush. Blush is my favorite. I'm just gonna put it on apples of my cheeks and just push it upwards like this. You can just apply blush according to your liking, what intensity you like. I just want my blush to be loud, and when you step out, the intensity of your products, they just fade away casually, so by the time you'll go out it will be all natural and there would be like nothing, just their effects. I just want to go with Nykaa Top Thrill in the number 12M, and what I'm going to do is I'm just stamping it on my lips, blending it with my fingers so that it looks very soft and natural. Just to seal everything in place, I'm using my makeup fixer from L'Oreal. I'm completely loving this, and also I'm doing this look on the second time. Last time I did, it turned out so beautiful, but I lost the recording. I've talked about the whole process, like how I lost and what happened in one of my video. I'll just put a link here so that you can go and check it out. And also the makeup of this video is like just bomb, so make sure you watch it. That's it, you guys. This is my version of no makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. And guys, please make sure that you are following me on Instagram too. I will put my handle on the screen and it is always in the description box because I post a lot of makeup content there as, so yeah, make sure you are following me there. Till then, take care.